This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Sandusky, Ohio. 1. Conquer Cedar Point's coasters. Start your Sandusky adventure at Cedar Point, the undisputed roller coaster capital of the world, and the ultimate destination for thrill seekers. This massive amusement park sits on a stunning Lake Erie peninsula and boasts an incredible 68 rides, including a world record 18 roller coasters. You can challenge the towering 310-foot Steel Vengeance, a hybrid wooden-steel coaster that some call the best in the world, or experience the legendary speed of the Millennium Force, the world's first Geiger coaster. There are also 3 dedicated areas filled with rides and attractions designed specifically for kids and families, ensuring even the littlest visitors have a blast. Beyond the coasters, you can enjoy live shows, classic carnival games, and a mile-long stretch of sandy beach right on Lake Erie. 2. Indoor Waterpark Fun. Next, escape the unpredictable Ohio weather at one of Sandusky's world-famous indoor water parks, making the city a year-round vacation destination. The Kalahari Resorts and Conventions features America's largest indoor water park, a sprawling African-themed paradise filled with thrilling slides, a massive wave pool, and a lazy river. For families with younger children, the Great Wolf Lodge offers an enchanting forest-themed experience with a massive indoor water park featuring shallow pools and gentle, safe slides for toddlers. When you need a break from the splashing, both resorts offer a huge variety of additional dry attractions, including arcades, miniature golf, and interactive adventure games like MagiQuest. With everything you need under one roof, these mega resorts provide a stress-free, all-in-one vacation experience that will keep the whole family entertained, rain or shine. 3. Marblehead Lighthouse Park. Drive just a few minutes east of Sandusky to visit the iconic Marblehead Lighthouse, the oldest lighthouse in continuous operation on the Great Lakes. This historic stone tower was first lit in 1822 and has been a beacon over Lake Erie for over 200 years, making it a true maritime treasure. You can climb the 50-foot tower during the summer months for a breathtaking panoramic view of the lake, Sandusky Bay, and the Lake Erie Islands. After your climb, explore the adjacent grounds, which include the Keeper's House Museum and a historic life-saving station, giving a fascinating glimpse into the lives of those who protected the shoreline. The surrounding state park is the perfect spot for a relaxing picnic, with benches and tables overlooking the sparkling water. 4. Island Hopping Ferry. Take a scenic boat ride to explore the beautiful Lake Erie Islands, a popular vacation land accessible by ferry from Sandusky. Hop on a ferry to Kelly's Island, the largest of the American Lake Erie Islands, where you can rent a golf cart or bike to explore the island's charming downtown and hidden beaches. A must-see on Kelly's Island is the Glacial Grooves, a national natural landmark featuring some of the most accessible and well-preserved glacial striations in the world, carved into limestone over 20,000 years ago. These massive grooves, measuring up to 400 feet long and 35 feet wide, are a breathtaking sight. If you prefer a more lively atmosphere, ferries also connect to the bustling South Bass Island, home to the famous party town of Put-in-Bay. Spending a day exploring the islands gives you a completely different perspective on the beauty of Lake Erie. 5. Merry-Go-Round Museum. Step back in time at the Merry-Go-Round Museum, a whimsical treasure housed in a beautiful 1927 neoclassical post office building right in downtown Sandusky. This museum is a passionate celebration of the artistry and history of the carousel, featuring one of the finest collections of hand-carved wooden figures in the country. The centerpiece is a fully restored, working antique carousel from the early 20th century, and the best part is that you can actually ride it, feeling the magic that has delighted children for generations. The collection includes breathtaking examples of different carving styles, from realistic Philadelphia school horses to elaborate Coney Island creatures adorned with gold leaf. 6. Ghostly Manor Thrill Center. For a blast of family-friendly entertainment that is completely indoors, head to the Ghostly Manor Thrill Center. This massive entertainment hub is a year-round destination packed with activities for all ages, making it a perfect rainy day solution. It is famous for its exciting 5D theater with moving seats and special effects that make you feel like you are inside the movie. You can test your skills on a glow-in-the-dark miniature golf course, or challenge your friends to a high-energy game of laser tag in a black-lit arena. For those who love a good scare, the feature attraction is a walk-through haunted house that has even been featured on the Travel Channel. 7. Sheldon Marsh Preserve. Escape into nature at the Sheldon Marsh State Nature Preserve, a 472-acre hidden gem that feels a world away from the roller coasters. This protected coastal wetland is a haven for bird watchers and nature lovers, offering a network of quiet, easy trails that wind through forests, meadows, and along the Lake Erie shoreline. Sheldon Marsh is a prime spot for observing wildlife, home to nearly 300 bird species and a critical stopover on the Atlantic Flyway. You can walk for over a mile on a path that leads to a secluded beach, where you can enjoy the sound of the waves in near solitude. The preserve is a beautiful place to visit in any season, from the vibrant wildflowers of spring to the stunning colors of the fall foliage. It's free, serene, and a wonderful reminder of the natural beauty of Ohio's North Coast. 8. Downtown Sandusky. Spend a leisurely afternoon exploring the charming and walkable downtown Sandusky. Start at the picturesque Washington Park, a beautifully landscaped square that often hosts community events and is a great spot to relax by the fountain. You can stroll along Columbus Avenue, where you will be captivated by the beautiful, historic Victorian-era homes and storefronts that reflect the city's rich 19th-century character. This area is home to a growing number of unique boutiques, antique shops, and art galleries, perfect for finding a one-of-a-kind souvenir. Don't miss the historic Sandusky State Theater, a beautifully restored 1928 movie palace that now hosts live performances and classic films. 9. Toft's Ice Cream. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a visit to Toft's Ice Cream, a beloved local institution serving delicious frozen treats for generations. While their main production facility is on Route 250, they are famous throughout the region for their incredibly fresh and creamy ice cream, made on-site from a family recipe. You can walk up to their outdoor window on a warm summer evening and choose from their massive selection of 52 rotating flavors of hand-dipped ice cream. They offer everything from classic vanilla and chocolate to unique creations like their famous Buckeye flavor, a perfect blend of peanut butter and chocolate. In addition to scoops, they serve mouth-watering milkshakes, sundaes, and ice cream pies. 10. Berardi's Family Kitchen. Finally, you have to eat a legendary meal at Berardi's Family Kitchen, a true Sandusky landmark that has been serving hungry parkgoers and locals for over 75 years. This no-frills, family-friendly spot is famous for its incredible comfort food, perfect for refueling after a long day. You absolutely must try their famous fresh-cut French fries, which are consistently voted the best in the area and have a perfectly crispy exterior and fluffy inside. Pair them with their classic Berardi burger, a juicy handmade patty topped with all the fixings, or for a real taste of Lake Erie, order the golden fried yellow perch plate,